Kelsey Smith was a young woman in Kansas who had just graduated from high school when she was abducted at a mall. They knew she had her phone on her, and they had surveillance video of her being followed by a suspicious person out to her car. But with all the efforts of law enforcement, and her father was a policeman, it took 4 days for the cell company to turn over her location data. Once they had that data, they found her body within 45 minutes. The fact is that court orders or warrants are not as easy in real life as they are on TV. They don't wake judges up in the middle of the night and get them instantly. And besides that, it requires that you have evidence that a crime was committed, and that's often not the case. And in these cases, every minute counts. If they don't find that person within a couple of hours, the chances of them surviving it go way, way down. This bill says that with a written order from the police, or a written statement from the police attesting to the fact that they believe this person is in danger of death or serious bodily harm, the cell company must immediately turn over the location data. This is not any other data on the phone. It's not emails, it's not text, it's not photographs, it's just location data. Has been concern that police might misuse this data, but I'll point out that they can be prosecuted for that. The ACLU initially had registered as being opposed to this bill on those grounds, and we did work with them to put in more safeguards to prevent anything like that. So what the amendments, or the Second Amendment did is first, after the fact, after the case, after the warrant has been issued, a judge will then go back and determine whether they were justified in asking for that warrant when they did it. And the other thing it will do is anyone who has their location data given out by a cell phone company, once the case is settled or within 30 days, they will be informed that their data was given over to the police. This bill is supported by all of the police associations. It's supported by the cell phone companies. They don't like being put in that position either. So right now there are 30 states that have passed the Kelsey Smith Act, and I think it's time we make Wisconsin the 31st. It will save lives. Thank you.